According to Mohammad Shomil Reza Khan, corporate sales manager of bKash, they are targeting especially those people who are unbanked. According to him, 92% people in Bangladesh don't have any bank account, and these people are the target customers of bKash. And people from all walks of life are now using bKash for their transaction. This suggests bKash is pursuing a mass market target strategy. If we look at the bKash TV commercial, we can see that bKash is portraying a very diverse set of characters, ranging from housewives in remote areas to service holders in metros. bKash understands its customer segments and is trying to communicate to them directly. In order to analyze the various target segments of bKash, let's have a look at TVC characters from the bKash campaign. McDonald Singh Simon works as a data entry operator in the port city of Chittagong. He's from Naga, he's married, and he's a new father. He's around 30 and belongs to the low-income group. Mosammat Parvina Begum is a housewife in a remote village. She lives in Jessore. Manik Mia supplies fish to Dhaka from Trishal Maimansingh. He has a micro business. Qazi Afia, a student in Dhaka, also owns an online fashion store. Nina is an urban housewife. She is from Dhaka city. Shudip Kumar Ghosh is an entrepreneur. He deals in dairy business. Sokhina, a garment worker, also lives in Dhaka. Milan, again from Dhaka, and he is a driver, and he draws his salary through bKash. So what is the customer profile of bKash? Well, if you look at the geographic segmentation, we can see that people from both urban and rural areas are the customers of bKash. And in terms of demographic segmentation, we can see that both males and females use bKash, although the number of male users is higher compared to the number of female users. And the income level? People from the lower range of income mostly use bKash. Occupation, low income earners. Education level, semi-literate to no formal education. And customer orientation or preference, price sensitive and seeking ease of use.